E nā makamaka pehe mene oko o Iolani. Ko o Inoa Pokole. I was going to give my full Hawaiian name, and then something inside said no. It's a dream name from my brother Michael. And when I use Iolani, I use it to remember him. I had a dream when he was passing, or came to me in that sort of state, and gave me the name Skyhawk. And after much reflection, I decided it was okay to translate it into Hawaiian that resonated with the family story of where the last name Pu'u comes from. Alaila, make au e hello I ke kahi mea e pili ana ke ano o kia la. So I want to go over dates today, and I'm hoping to do this for one moon cycle. And part of this is inspired by the way one of my kumu oho gives dates. He starts each class sort of giving an overview of where we are in time and space. So I turned it into questions and answers. O kala e hia kia. What day is it? All right, we actually get to the proper day. And the first, this is in, as I move forward, I decided that I want to share what is from missionaries and what is sort of more ancient Hawaiian, because the way that we measured time has changed. And this is Ano Mikonalia, missionary style. O ka la e hia kia. O ka la umikuma maha Malaki, ka makahiki e lua kaukane iwa ka lua kumama lima. Can also be said as iwa ka lua kumama lima. I like to add, because as I look to Fornander's work and Kepolino, some of the earliest writings, they use kumamaha. They put the ma here. And in modern Hawaiian, they don't. They just would say kumaha for 14. But I like the old style, so I'm choosing to just use the old style. And then here is Ano Hawaii in Hawaiian, how they would measure time in ancient Hawaiian, measure it by the moon. And actually contemporary Hawaiians do that as well. O kapo e hia kia. O ka anahulu e hia kia. O ka malama e hia kia. O ke kau e hia kia. So I'm asking, what moon is it? What 10-day cycle is it? What Hawaiian month is it? And what Hawaiian season is it? In the Mikionali sense, there's 4 seasons. And in the Hawaiian sense, there's 2 seasons. And so usually, if you were going to answer, you would just answer for the first one here, o kapo e hia kia. You would just say o mahealani for what moon it is. But I am giving it more full. I'm saying mahealani is the night, the anahulu is poi poi, the Hawaiian month is nana, and the season is ho'oilo. So let's go through this. O kapo e hia kia, o mahealani kapo, o ka anahulu e hia kia, o poe poe ke anahulu, o ka malama e hia kia, o nana ka malama, o ke kau e hia kia, o ho'oilo ke kau. And back to missionary thinking, the way that they keep time. When you have, like say, if it's any time between 45 minutes before, like what time is it right now here? It's 9:09. So when it comes to be 9:45, I would say however minutes before the hour, if that makes sense. I ka hola e hia e pi'i ai ka mahina. What time is the moon gonna rise? O ka umi kumamaha menuke I koe kane ka hola e hiko I ka ahiahi. And Kumu Kaliko said that this was something the missionaries came up with, and it doesn't really make sense. So we could actually change it together. So I'm going to try to figure out a better way to say that. So what it's saying is 14 minutes before the ringing of the hour of 8. Ooh, hiko, it should be evalu. Hika, yahi. Oh, nice correction. Anu e ua kia kakahiaka. Hey, la maita. Ikia la no kahana maloko o kahala. It's a good day for working inside because it's raining. Ia ke kahi mauki'i o ka hana no e au I ka lepo ka vili. Here's some works, recent works of clay that went into our drying. This is a little honu. Ia ke kahi hono li'i mai kahi moi ohane. It's from a dream, my dream practice. And this is a little totem that I think is in relation to some recent dream work and working with Mother Nature, with Haumea and her helping spirits, her counselors, inside of that beautiful gold throne room that I see her in. And I am dreaming that humanity, we walk in closer relationship with Haumea. She's lonely, she misses us. She misses the close conversation that we used to have. So I'm trying to develop that in myself. Pau kia ana pokole. Ahui ho aku no.